So our family motto is that we just can't have nice things. And my kids are constantly breaking things, and it's just a fact of life when you're a parent.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Well, the latest thing to break is this handle here for a drying towel, just kind of ripped out of the wall. It's a pretty good hole. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a big hole like that with a pop can. So stick around and I'll show you. All right, so I'm in my bathroom. The latest thing that my kids destroyed is this towel rack or towel holder thing. And it's so busted out that there's no way I can put another anchor in there to fix it, but I don't want to have to, mud it or cut out some sheetrock, mud it, paint it, sand it, do all that stuff. I'm looking for an easy way. So I have an idea on how to fix it. I think it's gonna work pretty well. It's gonna use a soda can. So let's get going. To start out, I'm gonna grab my utility knife and I'm gonna put on some gloves so I don't cut myself. Then I pull out the can and start to cut the top and the bottom off the can with the utility knife. You could also use some scissors once you get it started. Once I have a sheet of aluminum from the can, the next step is to cut a circle out of the aluminum, and for that I'm going to use some scissors. I'm going to be using these wall anchors. I really like them. I've used them for a bunch of other things. But in this instance, what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut two aluminum circles out of the can. One's going to be for inside the wall and one's going to be for the outside. The aluminum circles essentially act as washers to put pressure on the inside of the wall and the outside and provide structure so that I can tighten the base of the towel ring and avoid making any sheetrock repairs. The toggle bolts also require that a hole be drilled into the center of each aluminum circle. I first tried drilling a hole with an electric drill, but I had some trouble with it. The drill bit was wrong, the drill was a little too powerful, and I mangled the aluminum, and so I had to start over and cut another one. This time I'll use a utility knife to cut the hole so I don't mangle it. It doesn't have to be pretty because it'll all be hidden. Once I have all the pieces together, it's time to install it. The hardest part was getting the larger aluminum circle into the wall. I tried a few different ways, but eventually I had to curl it up and put it in and then get it to straighten out once it was inside the wall. What I love most about fixing it this way, other than the fact that it works, is that years from now, someone's going to be remodeling this bathroom and find part of the Mountain Dew can in the wall and wonder what that was all about. That just makes me smile. Then from there, once I got into the wall, I pulled the anchor tight and broke off the tails. Next, I screw the mounting bracket for the towel ring into the anchor in the wall. And then from there, I install the actual towel ring. So there it is, voila. I'll leave a link in the description for the toggle bolts that I used. I really like them, they work really, really well. They worked in this circumstance, but I think they also work really great just to hold up just about anything. They're heavy duty, weight rated. This one's up to 238 pounds, so that's about as heavy duty as you get for a toggle bolt like this. So they work really well, so check those out. Thanks again for watching. I hope you learned something in this video. Leave me a comment. Do you think it was great? Do you think it was awful? Let me know what your thoughts are. Do you have other ideas for a situation like this? Let me know. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.